every bit girl, every bit girl, every bit girl, every bit, you're every bit lovely. She's never been too popular, she's never been an outsider. She's about as average as they come. Her family, they ain't too strange, they even get along most days. There's nothing too crazy going on, but sometimes she wonders if she's good enough. Well, girl, if you're listening, turn it up. You're lovely, every bit of lovely. Don't you know that you're God's original work of art? Yes, you are. So don't ever let them tell you that you're less than wonderful, 'cause you're a one and only. You're every little bit of lovely. Every bit girl, every bit lovely. Have you seen a lightning storm? And have you heard the oceans roar? Have you seen a newborn baby smile? Well, the same God who made all that, he's the one who made your crazy laugh, and every tiny quirk that makes you, you. So if you wonder if you're good enough, well, I know you're listening, yeah, you're listening, so turn it up.